All right, so the last type of problem we're going to do is we're going to try to go from a line to standard form. So remember, standard form is ax plus by equals c. And so A and B aren't always visible or explicitly visible looking at a graph. And so in my opinion, the best way to do it is to get this to slope-intercept form first. Okay, so I'm going to find the y-intercept, which in this case is 4, right? So that's the y-intercept, and then the slope, rise over run, would be, I can use these 2 points here, so it's going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4, and over 1, 2. So up 4 over 2. Positive is going up and to the right, so the slope would be 4 over 2, which would be 2. And like I said before, the y-intercept would be 4, right? So our slope-intercept form is going to be y equals 2x plus 4. And then just like the last problems we've had, we can just convert that to standard form, keeping our x on the right in this case, keeping it positive. So I'm going to subtract y from both sides and subtract 4. And we get negative 4 equals 2x minus y, or 2x minus y equals negative 4. There we go. All right, so kind of combining a couple of questions that we've done. All right, last but not least, we have this line here. So I want to get it to standard form. And so I'm going to first graph it in slope-intercept form. So I want to find the slope, or we'll find the y-intercept first, which is 3. So b equals 3. And the slope, if we go from, we'll just go from here to here, right? So we go down to right 2. So m equals 2 over 2, but it's going down to the right, so it's going to be negative. And so it'll be negative 1. So y equals negative 1x plus 3. All right, and so now x is negative on the right side, so I'm going to get it to the positive side, so I'm going to add it to both sides. This is kind of the easiest situation because now we already have y over here, and we can just keep the 3 over there, so now we already have it in standard form. X plus y equals 3. So a would be 1, b would be 1, and c would be 3. All right, so that's how it's done. So bring questions to class if you have them, or you can send me a message either through the Google Voice number via text, or you can send me an email.